Here we're going to show you how to use the dishwasher in your apartment. So first up, open up the door here, and inside you'll see a little grey tray inside the dishwasher door. Underneath the sink in your apartment, you should find two of these smaller greenish tablets we provide you to get you started. So take them out of the plastic packaging, and when you're ready, pop it into the drawer there and slide it shut once you've loaded up your dishes. Then we have an on button on the left hand side here, so turn it on, you'll see the lights will appear, and then you simply need to select your setting along here. So we recommend an eco setting, and then once you're ready, simply press the start on the right hand side and shut the dishwasher door.